The rising number of COVID-19 cases across Europe has led to some countries requiring proof of vaccination at facilities like restaurants and bars. The UK, despite having high daily tally of the virus, has lifted most restrictions. Do-yeon has the latest from across the globe.
The Delta variant is spreading through Europe fast, making the continent the first to surpass 50 million cases. Among the worst hit is France.
We're seeing a fourth wave of the virus. Although we're starting with a low contamination rate, the dynamic of the epidemic is very potent. This wave is steeper, it rises faster than previous ones. We must do everything it takes to stop this wave from also being more destructive.
The authorities are imposing restrictions yet again, but added that with the vaccines, this new threat could be managed better than the past waves, and have imposed a restriction stopping unvaccinated people from going to certain venues. A wide number of venues will require proof of immunization through a health pass. The country has more than 40% of its population vaccinated so far. Greece is also requiring proof of vaccination at places such as restaurants and bars. According to reports, more than 80% of infections on the Greek island of Crete are of the Delta variant. On the other hand, despite having an average of more than 45,000 seven-day daily cases, the UK has bucked the trend and lifted most of the restrictions on Monday. The day has been coined Freedom Day.
And there comes a point after so many have been vaccinated when further restrictions no longer prevent hospitalizations and deaths, but simply delay the inevitable. And so we have to ask ourselves the question, if not now, when?
Venues such as nightclubs open for the first time in more than a year, and the mask mandate has been lifted as well. However, many venues that draw large crowds will still require a proof of vaccination for people to enter. Do-yeon, Arirang News.